A teenager has appeared in court charged with murdering 16-year-old Leonne Weeks, who was found stabbed to death on a path. Peter Healy, 18, spoke only to confirm his name as he appeared via video link at Sheffield Crown Court today. Leonne Weeks has been described by her family as a beautiful daughter and sister. Family and friends of Leonne Weeks arrive at Sheffield Crown Court today. Leonne's body was laid to rest in a pink coffin on February 9 as people from her town turned out to pay their respects. He is accused of killing Leonne, whose body was found in the village of Dinnington, near Rotherham, South Yorkshire, on January 16. Healy, for Doe Quarry Lane, Dinnington, was not asked to enter a plea during the brief hearing, and a trial is due to take place in July. Mum, nicknamed Slasher, and insanely jealous lover, stabbed her ex 117 times with Stanley blade, screwdriver and kitchen knife before leaving his mangled corpse under a duvet. Autistic teenager is battered by female thug in horror attack where she was punched to floor, stamped in the head and had her iPhone stolen. Clever teenagers from poor backgrounds lag almost 3 years behind bright and rich classmates. Teenager whose twisted spine is crushing her ribcage needs life-changing op. Not available on NHS. Bullies made fun of teens' banana freckles, but now she's a model. Teenagers who vapor 4 times more likely to try a cigarette, say scientists. Leonne's grieving family have paid tribute to a beautiful daughter and sister, who was a quiet girl who wouldn't hurt anybody. Her heartbroken Aunt Jean Oldfield said, "They, the family, are just completely devastated and shocked by what's happened. My sister Paula is absolutely distraught." Darren Weeks, the father of murdered Leonne Weeks, arrives at Sheffield Crown Court this afternoon. Flowers were laid near a police cordon after the tragic teenager's death in Dinnington last month. Jean added, "She is a nice person and such a lovely lass. I don't know how anyone could do this." The tragic teen's mum, Paula, laid flowers at the scene of where her daughter's body was found, and hid her face as she stood close to a police cordon that was in place. Leonne had finished school and was doing a hair and beauty course at Dinnington College. She was laid to rest in a pink coffin as people from Dinnington turned out to pay their respects on February 9. Last year, a teenager was sentenced to 6 years detention after he accidentally killed a nurse in a police chase. A 19-year-old girl last summer after the car she was in smashed into a tree and metal gate post.